Hey everybody, it's Lady Led. I have been procrastinating, but today is one of those days. It's 83 degrees outside, and the weather is absolutely perfect for what I am trying to do. So it's almost like I can keep procrastinating if I want to, but I'm gonna be mad because the weather today is the kind of weather that you just go ahead and get it done. It'll be easy. It feels beautiful. I want to be outside, but I really just want to be outside, sitting over there in the chair. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on this project. I'm gonna take you along with me, just show you what I'm doing, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas. Y'all already know he had to be a part of the intro. So anyway, join me. Okay, yeah, you too. All right. All right, just so you can see what I'm about to do, I'm unpacking this quick tent greenhouse. And as you can see, if you if you want to find out more about it, they got the website on the box. So I'm gonna work on this today, see how long it takes, see how easy it is. You'll see the process. So it looks simple enough. So I get to have fun piecing together these poles. They got numbers, so it should go quickly. Starting to come along, starting to look like a greenhouse. But the crazy part is I think I'm only halfway done.
Little red Corvette, you need a love that's gonna last. Get on, get on, get on. Little red Corvette, come on, Apollonia. No. I brought you something to drink. I had to bring her something to drink, y'all. I can't let my baby out here get all burnt up and crispy.
It's not hot. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. This thing is huge.
I'm almost done.
Really?
I got that and then one more.
This is real nice. Okay.
Oh, I got to knock on it.
Look, I gotta go, Apollonia.
Okay.
Apollonia.
Uh-oh, you might not be able to do it.
That's beautiful. I came right in the nick of time, didn't I?
This thing is huge, y'all. I'm going to be able to grow so many awesome things in here. I don't know. I might get to do some more experiments. My date babies. I don't know. We'll see.
We just go. What? You got window. Stop right there. Come over here and help me. You on that side, you pull it over that way. You just gotta watch me put it up.
Greenhouse in there.
It's like a Saúl. There it is. It's hot in here. Other than that, we in the greenhouse lounge for real now.
It's a greenhouse.
Got us a greenhouse, y'all. This is the real greenhouse lounge now. Come over here. My baby put the greenhouse together. She said, you buy it, I'll put it together. I said, 'cause I ain't putting it together. You buy it, I'll do it. It sat there for months. We've had this for months. We about to do like Esi. No, we ain't. We can't do like Esi. We gonna try to get you, Esi. But look, this is because of you, Esi. Esi the Homesteader.
Yes.
We saw that greenhouse like, gotta have one of those.
I want it. I love it. Oh, this breeze feel good out here though.
Yes, it
Just
does.
get in there. Alright, it's getting late. But there's one last thing I want to do. I want to lay down this tarp so that all this grass doesn't turn into a jungle in here. So it's gonna double as a floor and a weed blocker.
We got some stakes to stake it down from Harbor Freight. All you do is you pull them apart like this, because they just together like that. You stick it through your eye. That's all to it.